She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I am going to be trying to mix some English and Spanish together. And it's gonna be interesting. Pues algo que es un poco interesante es yo casi nunca mezclo los dos idiomas porque cuando yo quiero hablar en inglés, uso inglés. Y cuando yo quiero hablar en español, uso español. But I'm going to try. I think one main reason that I don't really mix the languages is that usually when I am forced to speak Spanish, and I do mean forced, I have to use my Spanish, and the person that I'm talking to typically does not speak English, so I really have to use my Spanish. And then when I'm speaking English, I always default to English. If you speak English and Spanish, I'm going to speak English to you because I know you understand me. Ahora, I'm going to try to do a little better, so we'll see. And it's gonna be so weird, like, give me some time because it is definitely going to be weird for me to be trying to speak both of these languages at once. If you've taken a Spanish class before, let's see how you follow along. I don't think it should be too hard because, you know, I'm mixing English and Spanish. Pero vas a ver, we're going to see if that works out. I'm probably not going to have subtitles. I'm not going to lie to you because subtitles take time. ¿Quién tiene tiempo para eso? My Spanish is not perfect, so do not come for me. No tengo tiempo ahora para eso. No tengo tiempo. Y tú sabes. So I'm just going to section my hair like normal.
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios.
So this has agua and I'm just gonna, you know, spray it down, even though my hair tiene mucho agua, pero it's all good. It is all good. Si necesito más agua, yo voy a poner más, y more. Okay, so I'm going to use this Cream Botanicals leave-in conditioner. I've talked about this before, pero me encanta este leave-in conditioner because it has all the moisture in the world packed into it, and especially made for high porosity hair. I've talked about this so many times. I'll have them linked down below. I'm just gonna apply pretty generously, como siempre.
Besándome otra vez, suavemente, bésame.
Ay, 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 como me duele. Yo voy a poner in basically all of my hair. I'm just gonna add it pretty generously. And then I'm gonna go back and add the gel of choice. But right now I'm just gonna use the leave-in.
Que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez.
Something that is a little funny is that I almost feel like this would be easier if I just chose one language. I know that sounds so funny, but I'm so serious because like I said, I don't usually mix the languages, and so when I have a sentence and then I switch the language, my brain is confused. It's like, whoa, chick, what are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? We don't do that. Like, we finish sentences. So if you notice, I might be saying one sentence, a total sentence in English, and then the next sentence, the total sentence might be in Spanish because my brain is struggling. It doesn't, what do you mean you want to do it in English and Spanish? We don't do that, sis. Mira, my curls are looking so good. Like always, I don't even get surprised anymore. I do this. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. One thing sobre español is that, or just about, you know, languages in general, is that if you don't speak it, I don't know what you're gonna do. Like, you gotta get, in order to feel comfortable, you have to speak it more. And I'm saying this to you guys, but I'm talking to myself as well, because the more and more you speak it, like, it took me so long before my family even knew that I had an understanding of Spanish like I do, because I wouldn't speak. Because I was afraid that people would judge me because Spanish is not my first language, and some of the people in my family, Spanish is their first language, and I was just really afraid of being judged. And you know, I taught myself basically Spanish. I did take some Spanish courses though, but they weren't enough. Yo sé que tú puedes ver mis rizos. Oh, oh. Oh, yo sé que tú puedes ver mis rizos. See, they look so good. What the heck was that? I'm like, they look so good. See? Somebody teach me how to speak Spanglish because it's not as easy as I thought it was. When I came up with this video idea, I'm like, yeah, I mean, if you speak English and you speak Spanish, it should be no problem. Pero no. Es un problema para mí, obviamente. Because how the heck is my brain struggling? I'm curious. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a gel. This is the Wetline gel, and I'm gonna use that. I really do like this gel. It gets your hair to lay flat and defined y todo. Todo lo que yo necesito es in this gel, you know? So, and with that, no complaints. Estoy muy contenta. Yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, apply this gel pretty generously y añada agua when I need it, and if I don't, then I won't. But I'm actually gonna need to add some water to this. Actually, honestly, truly, don't play yourself. We just want little frame words to put in there, sprinkle it in there so people really don't know, like, ooh, does she speak Spanish, does she not? You know, just go ahead and put pero in the middle of a sentence. People be like, what did you just do that for? Because I can. Porque I can. Porque yo puedo. However you want to say it, you got it. If I can get this to last me a week, that'd be great. That would be freaking sensational.
Suavemente, 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 suavemente.
How is this gel para tu salud? I really don't know. Honestly, probably not that great because the ingredients, I don't recognize a lot of them, but the gel itself is fire and I will continue to stand. Interesting question. If you speak Spanish, I want to know something. When you are talking about hair, do you say cabello or pelo? Just curious. Comment down below and let me know. Do you say cabello or pelo? Because I learned pelo first and then later learned that a lot of people said cabello. But I mean, they both mean hair. I think it's just different dialects. But I learned pelo first. Look, my towel then came off. No tengo tiempo. That's another one of my sayings. Voy a poner más agua like this because there's no such thing as too much water, y tú sabes. Y más y more. So y'all know I had to do a little slight close up, but I feel like I'm getting good definition. Me siento que es buena definición. Y cuando mi pelo no está mojada, vas a ver if my hair looks good, if it's still defined. We are going to see. Como siempre, yo voy a usar mi secadora para secar mi pelo, obviamente. And like normal, I am going to sit under the dryer in order to dry my hair. And I'm going to be back when my hair is completely dry. Well, apparently soy una mentirosa because I'm not completely done with my hair. But y'all know I do like to come back and show you guys what it's looking like. This is it dry. I am going to stretch it with my blow dryer. Y'all usually ask me if I use it on high heat. Yes. See, I use it on high heat and low speed. And I'm going to stretch my hair and then I'm going to come back and show you guys my final results. I done came back and I done did it again. This is it. This is it. I love it. Me encanta. What are you guys thinking? Let me come a little closer. Look at that definition. I just revamped my red, so I'm really loving it. Pero quiero saber, what do you think? Comment down below. Let me know what you think of my wash and go results. But yeah, this is a win for me, obviously. but I want to know what you think. ¿Qué piensas? ¿Qué piensas? ¿Qué piensas? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something un poco diferente, but I really enjoyed making it for you guys. If you guys want to see more like Spanish, English videos, or if you just want to see like more unique ideas like this, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.
Suavemente